Hi everyone, this is test A, section 4, okay? I'm going to use the red color today. ax plus bx equals 48. What is the value of 2a plus 2b? Not a plus b, okay? 2a plus 2b. When x is 4, put this number there. That is 4a plus 4b equals to 48. From how can you find 2a plus 2b? You can divide it by 2. It's going to be 2a plus 2b, okay? So that is 2a plus 2b equals 24, okay? So choice C is the answer. Okay, where is it? This is number 2. AB and CD are parallel. These two sides is parallel. You know that in the same side, that is what you said, consecutive angles or adjacent angles. Always supplementary. Sum of these two angles is 180 degree, okay? So it's going to be 180, this one just 70. This is 180, sum of this is 180, this one will be 120 degree, okay? So x minus y, 120 minus 70 is 50 is the answer, okay? Here is number 3. Small. Okay, that is better. All right, AB is 5. The length of this side is 5. So what is the y-intercept? This is the y-intercept. I'm going to take this length is b. Okay, when you make the line over here, this coordinate is what? 4 here. Oh, x is 1, right? This is 1. This length is 4, okay? So you know that right triangle, okay? So 4, 5, this side is 3, isn't it? If this side is 3, this is coordinated 0 and 1. So 1 minus 3, this is going to be negative 2, 0 over here, right? So we're going to find the y-intercept. Y-intercept is what? The length of b. You can use, okay, several ways. So I'm going to do this by similar first. I'm going to try this similar. The length of this side is 4, this length is 2, this length is 3, and this length is how much? Negative 2, 0, right? 0 minus minus is 2, isn't it? You can use similars. b over 2 or 2 over b. 2 over b equals what? 3 over 4, right? From here, b equals what? 2 times 8 is 8, and divided by 3, okay? So 8 over 3 is the answer. Or you can use a slope. Slope is okay too. Same thing. So b over 2 is a slope, right? So 4 over 3 is also a slope. It's the same thing, a little different meaning, okay? Slope is equals, so 3b equals 8. So b equals still 8 over 3, okay? Or you can find the equation of this line, okay? That's right. Anyway, choice B is the answer, okay? The number 4, L is parallel to the x-axis. So it's going to horizontal, right? This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. This is a negative 4 over here, a negative 8 over here. This point passes this road, okay? But parallel to the x-axis. This is the y equals negative 8. Horizontal, right? Okay, vertical line is x equals. Number 5. This with radical form better expressed in exponent form, okay? The first one is 10 to the 1/4. Second one is 10 to the 1/3. Okay, I'm going to use my common base number, which is 10, okay? So this is a 10 square to the k. So it is what? 10 times 2k, isn't it? You have a common base, it's 10. Exponent. 1/4 times 1/2 is what? 7 over 12. That is equals to 10 to the 2k, right? Exponent must be equals. You know that 2k equals 7 over 12. K equals what? Times 1/2 times 1/2, 7 over 24, right? Times 1/2 times 1/2. It's okay? All right, choice A is the answer, okay? Number 6. f of equals, this is 9 over 5c. Yeah, that's the formula, right? From Celsius to converting, right? Celsius to the Fahrenheit. We have another equation, approximate formula, okay? Some value of C, they said what? For what temperature in Celsius does the student approximate formula give, right? Correct temperature in degree Fahrenheit. This number, some value of C, these two numbers must be equal. Okay, we're gonna find what is the value of C. For what value of C, F is equals. Just to solve the equation, okay? 5 over 9C plus 32 must be equals to 2C plus 30, okay? So what are you going to do? Times 5? Okay, you can use times 5 or 2C minus 9C is 1 over 5C. You can use there, okay? Okay, times 5 is okay too. All right, 9C plus 160 equals 10C plus 150. 10C, 9C minus 9C, that is equals to C, right? So this move to the right is what? 150 minus 150. So 160 minus 150 equals 10, right? For some value of C is 10, the value of F, they are equal, okay? So 10 is the answer. Here is number 7. The graph of function f in the xy plane is a parabola. Yep, that's right, that is a quadratic, okay? That is a quadratic. Parabola is what the graph of a quadratic is parabola. Maximum is 5 and 10. This is 5 and 10 over here. Okay? That the maximum is what graph is what open downward. Okay? Concave down. If the graph has one x-intercept, 0 and 1, this is 0 and 1 intercept. The graph looks like this way. But this one is a parabola, there is x of symmetry, exactly with these vertical lines, always to the right, to the left, the point on the graph always equal. This is always equal too. And this is 1 over here. What is the length of this side? 5 minus 1 is 4. The other also with distance is 5. So this coordinate is 5 plus 4 is 9, okay? 9 and 0 is the answer, okay? This is number 8. With system of equations, what is the value of A? Okay, we're gonna find A, so eliminate the value of B, okay? 2B equals to A minus 1, isn't it? So 2B squared is 4B squared, right? It's okay, so left hand side x squared equals to what? A minus 1 squared is what? A squared minus 2A plus 1. So A is cancel out, 2A equals 1. Are you okay with this? So A equals 1 over 2 is the answer, okay? Choice D is the answer. Oh, here is number 9. You have two graphs. One is f of x, the other one is g of x. So f of negative 1.5, that is the value of k. That's why coordinate over right on the graph of f. So using this case, put this number into the g of k. What is the value of k? 1.5, this is 1.5 over here. K equals still 2, isn't it? K equals 2. Put this number into the other graph. G over 2. This is the question, okay? So what is the value of G over 2? G over 2 over here. That is negative 2, okay? Choice C is the answer. Here is number 10. You know that absolute equation, okay? That is inequality. Less than 0 is what? 2x minus 6 should be less than 10, but greater than negative 10. That's the formula, right? Plus 6 all side. That is negative 4. 2x is what? Negative 16. When you divide it by 2, you got this. X must be less than 8, but greater than negative 2. But we have no answer. Let me see. Oh, that is a subset. Okay, subset is a part of this solution, right? So negative 2, 8. Which one has, right, belongs to this solution set? Let me see. Negative 4 is outside, no good. 9 is outside, no good. Negative 4, no good. This is negative 1 over here. Negative 1, 2, negative 7 belongs to here, right? That is what? Part of the solutions. That we said subset. It's okay? Yeah. When you solution is by exactly belongs to this one that we said subset. Okay. The number 11. We have 20 black marbles and 16 white marbles in a container. No, nothing anything else, okay? No any other. So how many black marble must be out? Black marble must be out, not white marble, okay? Only black marble must be out. 20 black and 16 marbles. Black is out. How many numbers out? X is out, okay? So how many black there? 20 minus X. How many white there? Still 60. That is total number of black and white after take of X black marbles out. The probability, okay, when you choose one, it should be black. The total number of what? Marbles, how much? 20 plus 16, 36 minus X, right? Sum of this one is the total number. But how many black there? Now black is only 20 minus X. Okay, that is the chance of black, that's the total number possible marbles. That is going to be 1/3, right? You have to solve this one. Okay, cross multiply times 1 there. 36 minus X equals what? 60 minus 3X. Okay, so plus X, or plus 3X, that is 2X. Okay, minus 36 minus 36 is 24, right? So X equals 12, okay? So 12 is out. The probability to choose a black marble will be 1/3, okay? Here we go, number 12. So we have two semicircles. The length of a perimeter is 8 pi plus 16. What is the value of R? This is the value of R, right? This is also R. Also, this is 2R. 2 pi R divided by 2 is pi R. That is what? The length of this arc of the semicircle, right? Another pi R there, okay? So total is 2 pi R, and plus this also what? Perimeter, right? 2R plus 2R is 4R. This should be equals what? 8 pi plus 16. But compare this one, this is a pi, this is a pi, right? So 2R should be equals 8, or 4R equals 16. Anyway, R equals to 4, isn't it? Just compare those expressions. All right, number 13 is x to 12. That is 5,000, x to the 11 over x equals 10. What is the value of x times y? Okay, from here you can find x times y. Yes, you can do that. Times x over here, right? So numerator now x to the 12, denominator x times y. That is equals to still 10. But you know that x to the 12's power is 5,000. That is 5,000. Over xy equals 10, right? What is the xy? Switch, right? They can switch any times. 5,000 over 10, isn't it? It's going to be 500 is the value of xy. That is number 14. We have test score for some class of 30 students, right? Class size is 30 students. So this is the histogram. What is the median score in the middle? Okay, who is in the middle? Maybe you can write, you can organize table. Okay, 30 point, there is a frequency is 5. That is a frequency. That's a score, right? That is frequency. And the next is 40 is 5. The next one is what? 70 is 9, and 80 is 5, and 100 is 6. That is frequency. Who is in the middle over here? Oh, it's actually 1 plus 30 divided by 2, right? So 15.5. So 15 and 16 students, they are in the middle. You can count from here, from top of here, okay? Or bottom of top, it doesn't matter. Okay, from here, 10. 50 belongs over here, right? Up to 11 to 20 belongs here. That's the median, okay? Or you can count from top of here, 11, and the 4.5 more belongs to here, right? So anyway, the median scores will be 70 is the answer, okay? All right, this is 15. So audio recording studio's P consists of setup charge 100. This is a setup charge 100 and hourly rate. Hourly rate, we don't know. Okay. So maybe you can open here. Oh, you can see that we are total P of session 8 hours is 480, except by 700. This hour rate I'm going to use R times what times T equals 480. But 8 hours times T equals 8 hours. Okay, except 100. So it's going to be 380, right? That is the rate, hourly rate. You can find the hourly rate is what? Hourly rate you can divide by 8, right? R equals 380 over 8. Isn't that is about 4, 32, 6, 47.5, okay? That is the hourly rate. It comes with times T, right? You have this one. That's the answer. Number 16, 10 hours recording. Put this number 10 hours recording over here. So 100 plus 475, okay? $575 is the answer. Okay, that is the easy one, okay? Here is number 17. So we have another quadratic and a linear. So f of x equals x minus 2 squared. So this one should be equals 2, isn't it? X intercept is 2. So what they are asking, what is it being asked? Which of the following equation? Okay, you're going to find the equation of this one. You got the 1 point already. We need another point, right, to find the slope. Another point is here. That is better. Or you can use this one too, x-intercept. I'm going to use y-intercept, this one, because we need this number, okay? How can you find the y-intercept from here? X equals 0, right? So minus 2 squared is 4. This one is 0, 4 is what? Y-intercept. From here, can you find the slope of this line? y2 minus y1. 9 minus 4 over x2 minus x1. 5 minus 0. Slope is 5. 5 over 5 equals 1. And the y-intercept is 4. So equation of the line of g of x equals y equals 1x. X plus 4, right? Choice D. And this is only 1. Slope is 1, okay? Number 18, x squared plus y squared is 85, xy is 5. What is the value of this one? Okay, what about inside? You can find that when you make a square, you get by xy, right? Over here, xy equals what? Y minus x squared. Yeah? So square over here, okay, numerator, y squared plus x squared minus 2xy. Denominator, what? X squared plus y squared. So we got the value, right? X squared plus y squared and the product of this xy. X squared plus y squared is 85. 2 times xy is 10 over xy squared is 25. So that is equals to 75 over 25 equals 3 is the answer, okay? Choice A is the answer. That is not hard. Number 19. So A, B, they're constant. Okay, the equation is true for all value of x. So the left hand side, right hand side should be identical, right? Same expressions. Okay, now let's try this one. Same expressions. 1 over x plus 1, that equals what? X times x plus 1. You multiply numerator a times x plus 1 and b times x. After that, canceled out. Because denominator, we don't care. They are equals. But numerator should be equal, right? So you can try this one. Put this number x equals negative 1 again. But it doesn't matter. When they cancel out, you can use negative 1, okay? Don't be confused. X equals negative 1 from original, that is undefined. Okay? Also, left hand side, right hand side, undefined. Okay? But it doesn't matter. When you cancel out, the next one is for any value of it, they are equal. Okay? All right. You can use this one. X equals 1, this is always 1. This is not minus 1 over here. This is 0. So we got the what? This is bx, okay? Negative 1 is a positive b, isn't it? Okay, b times x, right? Yeah, positive b. So b equals to 1 is the answer, okay? Or You can use this one too. Left hand side is 1, right hand side, you can express ax plus b. Okay, I'm going to write that. X plus a plus minus bx. You can swap a minus bx and plus a. Isn't it? That is equals to 1, right? So, same expressions, constant equals constant, a equals to 1. But this one should be equal to 0, right? Because 0 of x. Okay, there's no x terms because this coefficient is 0. So a minus b equals 0 is what? A equals b. But a is 1, b also 1. Okay, you can solve this way too. This is number 20. The linear function 2x plus y equals negative 5. Yeah, that is reflected the x-axis. How it looks like this one? This one is on y-axis, okay? xy. Reflected over here. Looks like one negative xy, okay? X is a change, right? Opposite sign. Y doesn't change. X is changed. That is a negative 2x plus y doesn't change equals to negative 5. That's the equation of the line reflected what in the y-axis. Okay? So actually this is y equals 2x minus 5. Which one is not on this line? For this number, when x equals 0, y is negative 5. That's okay. When x is 2, y is negative 1, right? 2 times 2 is negative, 4 minus 5 is negative 1. That's fine. 3, 2 times 3 minus 5 is 1. That's okay. 4, 8 minus 5 is 3, not 0, okay? This point is not on this line. Okay? Or you can use this graph, y equals negative 2x minus 5. Negative 2x minus 5 looks like this one. Negative 5, negative 2x minus 5, this way. What is the reflection in the y-axis? I'm going to do it different. This reflection, right? Same distance. Okay, slope is what? Same, but opposite sign. This line is what? 2x plus 5, isn't it? 2x minus 5, right? Still, y-intercept is negative 5. That's okay? Yeah, using the graph, you can find the equation over here, okay? Y equals 2x minus 5. This one is what? Y equals negative 2x minus 5, okay? Negative 2x, positive 2x. Okay, that is the number 1 to 20, okay? So next video, I'm gonna finish the 21 to 38, okay? So thank you so much. I'll see you in next video. Thank you.